When you mention Wales to some people, they have no idea that we exist. The fact that we have our own language is big news to many people. Once they find out, they love it and really enjoy experiencing something new and totally different. Helping them to learn or understand a few words or phrases in the Welsh language is a fantastic way to start a conversation. However, not like this.
I've just booked a taxi at reception. They've told me to come out here. Do you have a booking for Evans?
Yeah, right. Yeah, good.
Oh, lovely. Bore da.
What's that now, love?
Oh, I think it means good morning. I just read it up in my hotel room.
All right. Yeah, I wouldn't know. Nobody speaks Welsh round here. Hey, where to, Em?
Well, I'm hoping to do a bit of shopping. They've told me to start off in Newport City Centre, and then if I fancied it, to jump on the train and go to Cardiff to the new St David's Shopping Centre. Is that a good idea?
Can't stand shopping. Cardiff's far too far away. Hop in then, love.
The Welsh language is something that unites the whole of Wales. It sets us apart from anywhere else in the world. And it's important to visitors coming in who don't have the Welsh language because sometimes they expect to hear it. They want to have it as a point of distinctiveness. They know they've arrived when they hear that Welsh language.
Mrs Evans, bore da.
Bore da, isn't that Welsh for good morning?
Right, yeah.
I just read it in my hotel room.
Or you could say Shwmai, which is Welsh for hi or how are you?
Brilliant, thank you. How do I say it again?
Shwmai.
Shwmai, thank you. Shwmai.
Where are we off to today, Em?
Well, I'm hoping to do a bit of shopping. They've told me in the hotel room to head to Newport City Centre, and then if I fancied it, to jump on the train and go to Cardiff to the new shopping centre, St David's Shopping Centre. Is that a good idea?
Ah, great idea, yeah. Not a big shopper myself, mine, but the wife and kids love Newport. And I can't get them out of that new centre in Cardiff.
Oh. Oh, how do I say it again now? Diolch.
Diolch, yeah.
If you're not a Welsh speaker, don't worry. Your accent alone will be special to visitors. If you'd like to learn some really simple Welsh phrases, refer to our additional resources, www.crossocanes.org.